How to set up Google My Business ads for more customers. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for attracting more customers. Google My Business ads can help you do just that by showcasing your business to potential clients who are searching for services like yours. First, ensure you have a Google My Business account. If you haven't created an account yet, head over to the Google My Business website, sign in with your Google account, and follow the prompts to set it up. You'll need to provide accurate business information such as your business name, location, phone number, and website. Once your Google My Business account is set up, it's time to create your first ad. Log into your Google Ads account or create one if you don't have it already. From the dashboard, click on the plus button to start a new campaign. Choose a campaign goal that aligns with your business objectives, such as increasing calls, getting more website visits, or encouraging visits to your physical location. Select the campaign type, search network, and choose sales or leads as the goal, depending on what you want to achieve. Enter your business location to target customers in a specific area. Use the keywords that are most relevant to your business so your ads appear to people actively looking for your services. The right keywords will increase your chances of reaching potential customers. Write compelling ad copy that showcases your unique selling points and encourages customers to take action. Highlight special offers, promotions, or testimonials to make your ad more attractive. Remember to keep the messaging clear and succinct. Set your budget based on your advertising goals and how much you are willing to spend each day. Google Ads provides an estimate of potential performance based on your budget, helping you make informed decisions. Review all settings, preview your ad, and then launch your campaign. Track the performance using Google Ads analytics tools.